Hey guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing well and staying focused on your health journey. I'm excited because as an ambassador to Built Bars, they have the best products and I just received the new Churro Marshmallow Built Puffs. So I thought that I could teach you how to make a churro built puff ice cream bowl. How does that sound? Super easy, high protein, low fat, low sugar, and of course, you know my favorite word, delicious. For the entire bar is 3 smart points. We're going to use a third of the bar, which will be 1 smart point. You know my recipes are versatile, people. You want to use more, you can use more, and you can make lots of these bowls and then keep them in your freezer so you have them. And that's a tip. Whenever you're hungry, you have a craving for something chocolatey, marshmallowy, delicious, and sweet, you'll have it available to you. Then you don't veer, right? And because of the high protein, this is going to keep you satisfied longer. Use my code Risa and get 10% off, okay? So what are you going to need? Hello, you're going to need a piece of Built Bar, which I've cut already. All right, and we're just going to use, and you can see the nice marshmallow goodness in the middle, and we're going to cut that in a minute. For the ice cream part, we're using ultra light Cool Whip, and I'm using 4 tablespoons. Those of you in WW, 1 smart point. So now you have options here. So I've got the ice cream here, the delicious Cool Whip, which I'm going to add some cinnamon to. I'm going to use a half a teaspoon to get that churro cinnamony flavor, okay? And then I have my little whisk and whisk that up. All right, and that's gonna be, I mean, this is just so easy and simple and fast, and we've gotta taste it. Yum. It tastes like churro flavor, okay? Like a churro for sure, without all the guilt and all the calories and all the fat. Okay, before I cut up the Built Bar, you have a choice, all right? I love these little waffle bowls, and they're 2 smart points depending on, you have to check your nutritional information, okay? And I got this in my local grocery store. I've seen smaller ones, you can get bigger ones, all right? So you can put it in here, all right? Or if you have some cute little silicone bowls, you can add it to this. Okay, so next I'm just going to cut up my Built Bar, and I like to keep them in the freezer. They stay nice and hard. But whatever you choose, they're nice and gooey right now because I left them out. And I like to put some inside the ice cream and a few on top so you can see them. All right, so I'm just cutting it into little pieces, into little tiny bite-sized pieces, because when you're eating the ice cream, you're gonna get that delicious goodness, and just add some to the ice cream. And I'm gonna keep a few for afterwards, and then just mix that in. And that's really the whole recipe. Now, the other thing too, though, is I love marshmallows because it's the puffs, so hello, we'll just add a few. Now, if you wanna use a lot, for a 1/3 cup is 2 smart points, but I'm only using about 8 marshmallows, okay? So we'll add those as well. Another thing that you can add if you want is cut up some banana or whatever fruit and add some fruit to bulk it up. That's up to you. I would use maybe a tablespoon or 2 and cut it up small, and you can add that in as well. But right now I'm just keeping it as is, and I'm gonna put it in my nice waffle bowl. And I have a cute little stand. So we're gonna just add the churro ice cream and put it in. And then I'm gonna make sure I get all of it. So that's 4 smart points. And I'm just going to add some of the Built Bar on top because we want to see that delicious Built Bar and the yummy gooiness of it. And then we're going to put in the marshmallows. All right, because it is a puff. So we can do that. Now, the other thing you can do is for fun with your kids, you could add some, of course I had to drop something, some sprinkles, okay, some chocolate sprinkles. You could add a little bit of some caramel or chocolate sauce to it. You could add, I always keep some slivered almonds, and you could put a few almonds on. And what else? The other thing I like is I have my homemade granola, and you could add a little bit of granola. I'm just gonna bring this up to the camera to show you that here's the Built Bars, and there's, it is so yummy and just delicious. So again, just an easy, simple recipe and versatile. Add fruit, don't add fruit, add nuts, add seeds, add sauce if you want, okay? And just make it your own, however you like it. You can do it this way, or again, like I said, for a lower carb option, you can just put it in a cute little silicone bowl and enjoy. I'm just gonna pick up my delicious Built Bar. And again, order your Churro Built Puffs, okay? I love it. Churro Marshmallow. It is marshmallowy and super duper delicious. You could eat it right now like this, or put it in, I buy these containers. I just want to show you because I already made one as well. And I like to just keep them in my container that I get at Costco and just put them inside and keep them in your freezer. And then you'll have a delicious dessert for yourself, for your family. All year round, you can enjoy a little ice cream, right? Guilt-free. So I hope you love this recipe. Make sure you tell me what you think. If you change it up, if you keep it the same, tag me, okay? Don't forget, Built Bars, code Risa, and enjoy. Bye for now, guys.